There's literally snow on the floor in places. This is what we call a snowdrift in the UK. This is about as bad as it gets. Not really, we've had a few bad years in my lifetime, but not really. It's just this, a slight dusting of just, it's like icing sugar. A slight dusting of icing sugar.
You don't get winter, we get cold season.
We do, yeah. But it looks pretty, but it's not exactly snow you can play in, is it? It's just like dust. Like someone sprinkled icing sugar all over the ground.
It looks nice and slightly.
Do you feel at home, Gia? You look very happy to be out in the snow, Gia. My Russian girl. You are from Russia with love, aren't you, Gigi? Hey? From Russia with love. Hey, puppy. Good girl. It's the first time I've been out in days again. So I've been ill again. I've been in bed again. Starting to get a lot again. Me and Sarah and Gia, right? So, had a bath today. Had a bath. Which crazily takes everything out of me, which is ridiculous that just a bath takes up all of my energy.
I wonder why.
So yeah, and me and Sarah were both like, what do we wear to go on the walk? What do we wear? Oh no, hold on, there's someone there. Brilliant, in an alleyway. Who is it? Let's see.
Should I get the gun out?